Ascending to the fifth dimension, unlocking the paradise within. The fifth dimension is a state of consciousness that has been locked away in the human mind for thousands of years. It's time to let go of old ways of thinking and be fully in your power. We are living in a time where we can choose to expand our consciousness by following the path of God, opening our hearts to love, and dissolving the old earth. The old paradigm of separation and duality is being dissolved, and the energy of love is ascending. The fifth dimension is not a physical dimension but a higher frequency of energy that exists within all things. It exists on every level of vibration and awareness, from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxy. It is also called God Source Consciousness, because it is connected to everything at once and contains all knowledge, wisdom, and love. The old earth was based on a negative polarity that kept us from being fully connected to our true nature as infinite beings living in this beautiful universe with others like ourselves. It was based on fear, doubt, and separation from God's source consciousness. The old dimension of 3D spacetime has been dissolving for some time now, and we are finally ready to make the final step into the new frequency of the fifth dimension. This new dimension is the most expansive and powerful dimension that can be experienced by humans. It is a non-physical realm, but it has all the qualities of a physical realm: gravity, light, and sound. It also has all of the qualities of the spiritual realm: love, joy, peace, etc. We are now living in a reality that is made up of two aspects, negative and positive. These two aspects exist simultaneously within us and around us, as they do in nature, which means they can also exist within our hearts. When we open our hearts to these two aspects, they become part of our inner being, and we begin to see them everywhere in nature, even within us. The third dimension is time and space. It is the dimension that we live in, and it is the place where our physical bodies are located. The fifth dimension is space-time. It is the place where our consciousness travels, the place where we store memories, and the place where we experience thoughts and feelings. In this new dimension, there are no negative thoughts or emotions to hold you back from achieving your goals. You can expand your consciousness to include the God Source consciousness energy within yourself so that you can operate at a higher frequency level of vibration. You can also release any negative thoughts or emotions that have been stored in your DNA, which is present in all living organisms. This allows for a more positive approach to life and allows for more creative solutions to problems instead of simply reacting in a habitual way, which may lead to more conflictual situations. We will enter into the paradise of 5D, the heaven on earth, when humans evolve into a higher spiritual state of being by raising their vibrational frequencies until they align with the fifth dimensional frequency range, which includes all of the other four dimensions. The big picture, the whole truth, is that you are already here. You are already connected to the heart of God, and your consciousness is expanding. As you shift from 3D to 5D, as you open your heart and connect with the love of God, as you dissolve your old earth and expand your consciousness in all dimensions, things will change for you. You will feel a sense of lightness and freedom that is beyond anything you have ever known before. You will feel lighter than water and lighter than air. You will feel like you are floating on air instead of walking on earth. Your spirit will soar into a higher dimension where there is no longer any separation between what is up and down, left and right, black and white, male and female, good and bad, love and hate, or life and death. There are no limitations on this new dimension. It's infinite. The next step in your evolution is to dissolve your old 3D reality. And the way to do that is to surrender and let go of everything negative and unsupportive, including yourself. The more you shift, the better you feel. The clearer your mind, the more loving you'll become. You are a beautiful soul, and this is just the beginning. Keep opening your heart and experiencing all that love has to offer. You are a unique expression of the Creator's love. Your level of consciousness is growing, your heart is expanding, and you're evolving into a more loving you. Get ready for your transition to 5D. Being in love with God, dissolving the old earth, and expanding consciousness are all part of this new way of being. In this 5D dimension, you are a star. A star who has just switched on your heart. We love you dearly, we are here with you, we are your family of light, we are the Galactic Federation. H.O. Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation.